So it's 5 something in the morning. My body is awake. My soul is nowhere to be found. But we're sending it up the shore. Let's go.
Good morning. It's 5:57 and I want to die.
Sounds about right.
Whoa, they're running.
Ooh, what? People, what? Why? Wow. Stop, exactly. That's what the sign is here.
I picked up the phone and I was like, Mike, since when does your voice sound so pleasant?
Oberg Mountain with Tony, Nem, George, Chuck, and some of his friends. And it was just bad.
What's Oberg Mountain?
Mountain called Oberg. I'm sorry, Louise.
No, it's all good.
I left you and Rex in the dust.
I was like, it's 12:30.
Yeah. Huh?
State of UMD. Well,
Minnesota. That's the state we're in. I hear at Tettegouche State Park had to show the Gouche some love. Gucci gang, I hear you.
oh, he's a vlogger.
It is Valentine's Day.
Yo, you know, I am doing a vlog. I thought I'm gonna vlog.
Boo!
Unsubscribe.
Bro, I only got like 27 of them. So, Allie's late for class. Well, you have class in 55 minutes?
55 minutes, hour and 15 minutes.
Hour, yeah. So she said, move over, I'm driving. I love it because I know you feel so awkward about it.
I love it though. I love being awkward.